Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to unravel the complexities of meeting International Automotive Task Force, or simply put, IATF compliance challenges. And I'll show you how a computerized maintenance management system can be your secret weapon to conquer these challenges. Not just to fix things, but to streamline operations, standardize workflows, and more. So stick around to learn how a computerized maintenance management system can not only help you achieve compliance, but also make your business more efficient. Let's dive in. Are you struggling with the new International Automotive Task Force compliance challenges? You're not alone. But did you know you can solve these challenges using a computerized maintenance management system? A computerized maintenance management system can help you track, observe, replace, and repair equipment to meet the IATF specifications. It's not just about fixing things, though. A computerized maintenance management system can streamline your operations, collect and analyze data sets, provide comprehensive reports on your systems, standardize your workflows, and even help with creating or maintaining documents. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The potential benefits can be tailored to your company's specific needs. Now, you might be thinking, but our current system works fine. Why should we switch to a computerized maintenance management system? Well, let's delve into the benefits of a computerized maintenance management system and how it can help you achieve IATF compliance. Computerized maintenance management system software is designed to organize tasks and keep your team on track. While it's primarily designed for maintenance challenges, the data it collects can be used in multiple applications. But here's the kicker. A computerized maintenance management system can also ensure your company is meeting all applicable government standards. Depending on your system, you can pull reports that show exactly which standards your business meets and which tasks need to be completed for your equipment and facilities to become compliant. In simple terms, a computerized maintenance management system gives companies a clear view of their current compliance status and the path to achieving full compliance. Instead of relying on a lengthy policy draft, a computerized maintenance management system breaks down compliance tasks step by step. This empowers companies to improve internal standards to meet government requirements. If you find that you're not in compliance, the computerized maintenance management system can provide insight on how to get there. This eliminates the need for hiring additional staff or contract employees to check and ensure that the company is meeting those regulations. A computerized maintenance management system can also free up resources in-house by automating parts of your maintenance strategy. So if you want to learn more about how a computerized maintenance management system can help your business, head over to the UpKeep Learning Center today. We've covered how a computerized maintenance management system can help you meet IATF compliance, streamline operations, and make your business more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit upkeep.com. Remember, with a computerized maintenance management system, you're not just solving compliance challenges, you're also improving your business. So why wait? Start exploring the benefits of a computerized maintenance management system today.